Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to customize the side button on the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G and how to make it work the way you want. On Samsung phones, the side button is used not only to wake or lock the phone, but also to perform different useful functions. To customize these functions, go to the settings, scroll down to advanced features, now tap on side button. First, let's look at the double press. When this feature is enabled, pressing the side button twice will open the app or action you select from the list. You can turn the feature on or off using the toggle. Next function is long press. This controls what happens when you hold the side button for a few seconds. You can set it to launch digital assistant like Google Gemini or Bixby, or change it to power off menu if you want to use the button for shutting down or restarting your phone. Now I'm going to show you how these functions work in practice. As you can see, I've set double press to the camera, a long press to launch Google Gemini. So let's look. Double press opens the camera, and long press activates Google Gemini. Let's change the functions and try different ones. I will set double press to open, for example, calculator, and long press to bring up power off menu. So double press now opens calculator, and long press now brings the power off menu. As you can see, by adjusting these options, you can make the side button more practical and better suited to your daily use. You can try experimenting with the setting and set the functions that work best for you. And that's all. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.